So this is basically very simple question.
Yes.
Yeah. So first thing is omega t is equal to 5 that we have to know. Correct. And tan phi is nothing but what? XL by R. So XL is given as what? 1 by root 3 by R. So I'll get 5 in terms of radians. Correct. What is the value I'm getting for 5? 5 is nothing but tan inverse of 1 by root 3.
5 by 6.
5 by 6, right?
Yes.
Pi is equal to pi by 6. And we know the relation what? Omega t is
Omega
equal to 5. Correct.
5.
Omega
Yes.
t is equal to 5. Let me just write it here. Omega t is equal to 5, right? It's not coming. So omega t is equal to 5. Omega is nothing but 2 pi f. 2 pi f into t is equal to my 5. Correct?
Yes.
And 5 is what? Pi by 6. So 2 pi
Yes.
f into t. So pi and pi will get cancelled. 2f t is equal to 6 or t is equal to what? 1 by
1 by 6.
1 by 12f.
6. Yeah, okay. 1 by 12. Yes.
Yeah. So frequency is 50. If frequency is 50, 1 by 12 into 50 is 12 5 is 60, so 1 by 600. T is equal to
Yes.
1 by 12 into 50. It is nothing but 1 by 600. So, yeah. So can you try the next question then?
Yes.
And if you have forgotten the formula, what is the formula we have to use here? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
use
that
that
only. Yes.
Newton's third law. Yeah, third equation.
S will get it as 160, sir.
Correct. 160 is the right answer. So I hope you have used the same method. V
Yeah,
square
B
minus
square
U square is equal to
2AS.
2AS, where in the first case, what
Yes.
is V? 0, fine velocity. Correct?
Yes.
U is what? 20 square, right?
Yeah.
And what is
Yes.
the distance?
40.
Distance is 40. We'll find acceleration. Acceleration, how much you're getting? 5,
Yes.
5 meter per second square. Then again, now velocity is doubled, right? Correct?
Yeah. Doubled, yeah.
Doubled. So this 20 will become what? 40 square. Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no? So 0 minus 40 square is equal to 2AS. Correct? So
Yes.
1600 minus what? Equal to, what is it? 1200 is equal to 2AS. 2AS is what?
2AS.
2A, 2 into 5, 10. Correct?
10. Yes. So
So
S it will be
1600.
by
Yeah, it
10.
is. Yes, correct. So 160. So distance cannot be negative, so I can just take the positive of that particular. That's it. Same
Yes.
method, right? You're done?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Super. Next one, let me check. Here, I think the two options are same. So maybe I will change one of the options as 1 alpha and maybe the option D, I will make it 1 alpha and 2 beta. I'll just make
Yes.
it change here 1 alpha and 2 beta. So if you don't know this thing, you can tell me. Okay, I'll help you out with this.
I'll first things if I have doubt, I'll ask.
Yeah.
So this one, how we'll do exactly?
Yeah, I'll explain this. So this comes in our chapter nuclei.
Yes.
Okay, so there is a decaying thing in this. Let me just go to a fresh screen. See, let's read the question first. Let me go to the question. The particle emitted in the decay of uranium 92 to 238. Correct? Better I'll write it
Yes.
here only. So this is decaying into what? Uranium 92 to 234. So mass number. 234 is what? Mass number. The highest number will be
Mass
always a
number.
mass number. The lowest one will be the atomic number. Correct? Yes or
Yes.
no? So during the
Yes.
alpha decay, what is liberated? Helium. Correct? What is the atomic number of
Yes.
helium? 2. What is the mass number? 4.
Four.
Up to this you're clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So when it undergoes alpha decay, so I'll write here U92 to what? 238. Correct?
Yes, sir.
When it undergoes alpha decay, what will happen? Mass number will be decreased by
Will
what?
it,
Alpha decay.
wait.
By
Okay,
4.
wait, I wrote. Yeah,
No,
by
no,
four.
mass
Yes.
number will be because helium will take 4, right? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this will become what? 234.
Yes, sir.
And down it will become what?
1 minute. I forgot the
90.
change. Yeah, by two it
90.
will.
No, no,
Yes.
I'll do it now. So the
Yes,
down
sir.
part will be what? 90. Because
Yes.
helium already this has been taken, no, 2 and 4. So it subtract from
Yes.
238 4. What is it? 234. And subtract 2 from
Yes.
this. It will become 90. Now it is undergoing
Yes.
what? Beta decay. So what is this
Yeah.
beta decay meaning? The meaning of beta decay here is, what is it?
Beta particle is
Mass
emitted.
number. Yes, mass
Yes.
number won't be affected, but atomic number will be increased by
Increased by
1.
one. Yes.
Very good. 234. And this is what? 91. But
Yes.
what is our answer here? 92. Which means it should undergo how many beta? One more beta.
Yeah.
Then
Two
only,
times beta.
yes,
Yeah.
2 times beta. So uranium 92 and here it is what? 234. So 1 alpha
Yes.
and 2 beta. So I just
Yes.
changed the option here, no? This one 2.
Okay.
So option D.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 1 alpha
Because
and
I
2
was
beta.
seeing the options and I got confused because none were matching with
Yeah, that's the reason first itself I changed it. Because option B and D are
yes.
kind of same. So I just changed it.
Yes.
So 1 alpha and 2 beta. But if there is any mistakes in the questions, you'll get the grace mark G. Okay, so that you need
Yes.
not worry. So kindly copy it down. You understood the
Yes.
thing, no?
Yeah, I understood.
Very good. If you didn't understand, I will do it in a fresh piece of.
No, and I understood. So that's fine. Yes, I done.
Done. So I'll clear it. All of these things. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm clearing all my drawings. This you have to tell me, okay, without my help. Fourth one.
Yes.
What is the answer?
So is it B, sir?
Correct. Simple thing. La. Huh? Yeah. This one, fifth one. I think already the
Uh,
susceptibility of a ferromagnetic substance is what? It is always very
zero
much
answer.
greater than 1. Correct?
Okay, okay. Ferromagnetic. Yeah. So
Yes.
ferromagnetic was what? I
I think
forgot
it was
suddenly.
deleted for you, I think so.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, fine.
It
No
was
need to
there.
worry. Yeah.
Yes.
Next one. The working of a magnetic braking of train is based on what? Eddy current.
Eddy current also was in there for us.
Eddy current is deleted.
Yeah, eddy current is deleted.
Okay. See, eddy current is deleted. Oh, CBSE lah. Hmm. But it can
Yes,
never be pulsating current, steady current. It's always the option between these two. You got the
yes,
point. Huh? So
yes.
this is eddy current. The working of magnetic braking of a train is based on eddy current.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Let me check. Yes, this one. Can you try? Significant figure.
Here directly density is mass by volume we are using,
Correct.
sir. And then
Density is mass by volume. Yeah, correct. Density is mass by volume. So what is the answer we're getting?
I'll do the division once again.
Yeah. So mass is this one, top one. Volume is this one, 1.5. Density is mass by volume. And one more thing in the option, I just want to show you that Shri, yeah, in the option it is 33 here. Okay. Here it is 33.00. Here it is 33.02 and here it is 33.0. The options are not the one which is written in the blue color, no, that is the options.
So then it will be 33.0.
Which one? Which option?
Option E.
Option B or D?
Wait one minute. So when I did the division, answer is coming as 33.02.
33 point?
02 is when doing the division I got.
Okay.
So
So what is
then
the
they told
density with the
the
correct
correct
number of
number is
significant
6.
figure? Yeah. What is option? A, B, C or D?
It will be D, no sir.
Which one?
D.
Correct. Correct only. So I
Yes,
think we can go to the next one.
yes.
This is again a direct thing, but I'm not sure that this is again deleted for you. Let me make it.
Photocurrent is also on the yes.
No, I think yeah, the collector plate potential and intensities of light. I don't think this is there. Huh? This was there for you, I think so. But do
Yeah.
you have any idea about this?
I'm not sure, sir. I mean, I can guess, but I'm not sure of the answer
Okay, guess
exactly.
it and let me check.
The reason.
Mhm.
Yes. So first is showing collector plate potential
Yeah.
and then
See, I'll tell you the
so what
key
I did.
idea. See, I'll tell you the thing. See, the
Yeah.
value of the current, the value of the photocurrent here, right? Correct? It depends on
Yes.
intensity of the light.
Yes.
See, I'll tell you one simple thing. Solar cells are there, right? Correct? The one which
Yes.
use in the calculator, and let us take an example of solar car. Is the intensity of the light same in both the things? If I give the same intensity of light as that calculator to that of a solar car, will it move 100 kilometers or something? No, right?
No, sir.
You got the point. It won't
No.
move. Yeah. So obviously the current, the photo current, the current depends on what? I'll write down here. The intensity of light is directly proportional to the current. Photo current means current through what? The light. Photo means light, right? So intensity of light, intensity of light is directly proportional to the, yeah,
I think you got stuck somewhere.
yeah, no problem. That's okay. So I just want to tell you that intensity of light is what basically directly proportional to the photo current.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll write it down here. I don't know how it went off. So just think the real time example. Correct? Yes.
Yeah.
So this, I think you are clear with this thing. Can you write it down?
Yes, sir.
So if the intensity of light increases, what will happen? Photo current increases.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let's come back to the question. Now with this knowledge, I think you can do it. Now you can see here. Can you see this one? These two things.
Yeah. Yes, I can see.
So what is greater here? Intensity is greater in which one? I1 or I2?
I2, sir.
That's all. So it is greater than I1. That is the conclusion we are taking it from this. It's not a
Yes.
big science thing. Okay, it's a very small topic. Fine.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Since it has not been taught, that might be the reason you don't know this thing. Yes. This one, the ninth one comes in our class 11th physics. Yeah, kindly read the question.
Ninth one, sir.
Yeah,
Oh, the related to gravitation, sir.
correct. Kindly read it. Let me see.
Yeah, two balls are thrown simultaneously in air. The acceleration of the center of mass of the two balls. No, the acceleration of the center of mass of the two balls when in air.
Mm.
Yeah, it will be equal to the gravitation, acceleration due to gravity.
The first option. Because when
Yes.
I'm throwing the two balls, in Earth we only have same gravity or different gravities.
In Earth, the same gravity only, sir.
In the sense, when see North Pole and all gravity will be different. Correct.
Ah,
On the
yeah.
poles, the
Yeah.
gravity will be different. But if I am throwing a balls at one place, the gravity will be same, right? It won't be different.
Throughout same.
Yeah, it will be throughout the
Yes.
same. So we have to know this formula, the formula ACM, M1A1 plus M2A2 by M1 plus M2. Acceleration
Ah,
and
yes.
gravity is same. I can put G,
Yes.
right? Both the things.
Yes.
Then I can take
So
M1
it,
and M2 common now, so it is equal to G. First
so
option.
it will be equal to the acceleration due to gravity. Yes.
That's it. Super simple. Simple thing. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. So later on, I will be sharing you the notes and all of those things in this within this paper.
Okay, sir.
The 10th one.
Electrical magnet. EB, no, E into B.
Correct.
Electric field into magnetic field.
This is
Yes.
a direct thing. Electric field
Yeah.
is directly perpendicular, correct, to the magnetic field. Super. The next one, 11th one.
11th one, let me see 1 second.
Mm.
So it will be 0 now, so it won't have any.
Yeah, it is 0 by using this
Yeah.
formula. M into G minus A by G. When,
G, yes.
yes, if the leaf starts falling freely, if it is freely is there, then what will happen? A is equal to G. This one, A is equal to G. So obviously it will be
Yes.
0. That's it. Now I just saw one question here. I'll go with this 17th one. The Carnot cycle. Have you come across this question before?
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Same kind of thing, like the pattern questions, correct? So we just
Yes,
do
sir.
one thing, 1 minus TL by TH, lower temperature by higher temperature, correct? So what is the lower temperature here? Source, no, sink. Sink is always what? The lower temperature. Source is always my higher temperature, correct?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
there? Yeah. So 80
Yeah,
by
yes.
100. So what is 8 by 10? 0.8. So 1 minus 0.8 is what? 0.2. And one more thing. Here what is it basically? 1 minus 2 by 4. That is basically 1 by 2.
Yeah.
0.5. So here it is 0.5. Next one, what is it? This is my 0.2. This is my
Yes, sir.
0.5. Next one, what is answer? Next two.
Next to it will be, wait 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
First one is 0.2, then 0.5, then,
Yeah.
wait 1 minute. 1 minus T2 by T1, no, sir.
Correct. Lower temperature by higher temperature.
So, next one will be 1 minus 80 by 60.
No, no, 60 by 80.
I mean,
Lower
1
by
minus
higher.
60 by,
Yeah, 6 by
yeah,
80.
yeah. I'll just calculate it. So 1 second, sir.
Yeah. So tell me for C and D what it is coming.
Yeah, sir, 1 second. So 60 by 80, when we do, we will get 0.75. So 1 minus 0.25, sir.
0.25. Okay. Next one.
And then 4 by 6, when we do, we'll get 0.66. We'll get like that, sir.
Ah.
So 1 minus 0.66.
So will it be
We'll, no,
0.4? 0.3 I can put. Right?
yeah, yeah.
So what is the question here? Efficiency of Carnot cycle is the least. Least in which one? Which case?
The first one, sir.
That's it. So we have to know, we have to read the questions very carefully. Clear?
Yes,
That they can twist, but the formula and everything will be same only. Clear up to this? Yeah.
yes.
I think 12th one. I think this might be very easy. Can you try it?
Yes, I'll try.
Mm. So once done, kindly send me the screenshot to my WhatsApp number. Yeah.
So the answer, sir, the working, sir.
Yeah, working. Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
I got the option D, sir. I'll send this one now.
Yeah. Option D is the correct answer anyway. Yeah. Just send it to me. Hmm. Yes.
Yes.
I have got it. KQA QB by D 9 10 power 9 3 10 power minus 9 100.
The
Yes.
initial and final potential. So after subtraction, I got 1.35.
Yes. Correct. So this is a direct question, right? 12th standard.
But then this little was there for calculating, say, in the initial and final.
Yeah,
Division was there.
calculating will be there. Hmm.
Yes.
But you understood the difficult level between 11th and 12th, right? Correct? Huh? So 11th
Yes.
questions are kind of direct only. Hmm. Yes. Let me clear it. Thirteenth one. Can you read the question?
Yes. A proton, a deuteron, and an alpha particle are projected perpendicular to the direction of uniform magnetic field with same kinetic energy.
Hmm.
The ratio of the radii of the circular parts described by them is
I think, did you have these things? No.
no, no, sir.
So I think better I'll help you out with this. Huh? Okay.
Yes,
See, there is a relationship. I think I don't know whether it is there for you. Fine. So magnetic field and the kinetic field energy. So R is equal to what
yes,
basically? MV by QB. Correct? This is
yes,
basically root 2 M kinetic energy by QB. Okay. So the question here is what? What is the question here? The ratio of the radii
and
of
the
the circular
ratio.
path.
Yeah,
The ratio of
yeah,
the ratio of the radii. The ratio of the radii of the circular path between what? Proton, deuteron, and alpha particle. Correct. So that is actually being. See, I'll write it on here. Rp is to what? Rd is to R alpha. It's nothing but what? Root of m by q is to root of 2 m by q is to root of m by q. So this basically, what is it? 1 is to root 2 is to 1. So the answer of this is what? Root 1 is to root 2 is to 1. Okay. So any radii question, if it comes, R is what? Directly proportional to M by Q. This is the key word from this. R is directly proportional to M by Q. And the radii with respect to the proton, neutron, and alpha is what? Root of M by Q, root of 2M by Q, and root of M by Q. Clear?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Did you copy it down?
No, I'm writing, so 1 second.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir, done.
Yeah. So I'll go with the 14th one. This is a direct question. They assumed a specific heat capacity, class 11. Joule per kilogram per Kelvin. Option D. I think you know this thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Or you don't know. Let me know. Do you know this
No,
thing
no,
or
this one, yeah, I know, sir.
already you done it?
This one I know, yes.
Yeah, perfect.